Tickles your lips.
What are you doing? you, you found something new, huh? That's the first time she's ever done this. Alright, silly girl. Silly girl. Oh yeah, good. Grams is witnessing this. This is what I've been talking about. You have to use your indoor voice. That was the outdoor voice. Can't be yelling like that. Alright, the